guys, welcome to Sophia's World! Don't forget to like and subscribe to my new channel, Sophia's World! What's up guys, it's Sophia here. Welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, click that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on. Give me a huge thumbs up. Today guys, I'm opening my first Sophia World burger stand. If you cannot see the burger, it's too small. But the burger's right here. So cute. I am going to make burgers and sell them to my customers. Guys, don't let anybody know this is a magic oven right here. A very magical oven. Don't tell anybody, okay? This is my first customer! Welcome to Sophia's World Burger Stand! What do you want today?
Hi, can I have a burger, please?
Okay, what burger?
A special burger.
Okay, I'll put everything.
Okay.
Special burger is coming right up. $5, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here you go, madam.
Thank you very much. How long is my burger going to take?
A few minutes.
Alright.
I'm gonna build this and put it in the magic microwave. So, what do you think will come out of the burger? So, I think I know how this works now. First, it's the lettuce. Then this and this. Then let's put it like that. And then the last one. Okay. This is the burger. I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Guys, so let me put it inside. Okay, burger. Look at the burger go. It's off the thing. Guys, the burger has shrunk! Ah! Oh, it's so small. Oh my god! OMG! Let's put it in the plate. So now I have to put it in here. Let's put it down. Open it carefully. Make sure it doesn't break. Put the burger inside. And then just close it. Now I'm gonna put the fries in. Come on. It shrunk! Same happened like the burgers did! Ah! Okay, I guess we can take it out now. Right now. Oh, it's hot. Oh my god. Let's put some salt on it. Okay, put it to the order. Okay, I'm gonna put the very cold drink inside the microwave because I'll give you 20 seconds to think why I'm putting it in the microwave. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment down below what you said. If you didn't get it right, it's actually a magical oven, so we have to put it inside because it cools up. So if it sees like a drink and it says like cold on it, like a milkshake or anything, it will put cold water in it. So that's it. Let me see. Guys, what happened to the Coca-Cola now? Just happened to the fries and the burger. What happened? Oh my god, it's so freezing in here. Ah! It's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold. God, it's so tiny. So tiny.
What's taking so long?
Oh no, the customer's calling me. 1 minute. Okay, I better put it on. I need a fork for him or her. I don't know. And I need to fry. Oh. Let it like cola. The drink and the burger. Come on, let's give it to the customer. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
A few moments later.
Why is everything so tiny?
I put it in the microwave and it came out tiny, so
This is all. At least my burger will be. What is this? I think I need my $5 back.
You ready to give me money? So I get the money.
How am I supposed to eat this?
You asked for a special burger, didn't you?
You got me there.
And I got you it right here. So you better eat up. Cookie, go.
Fine. Mmm. This is really good.
My special talent. It's my special talent.
Mmm. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, I see another customer. Welcome to Sophia's World Hamburger Store.
What's your special?
It's a surprise special.
Surprise.
Yeah.
Okay, I shall have one.
Okay, $5 please.
I have 10.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, great, thank you.
Now let's cook it, guys. Now let's put it in the oven. I hope it works this time. What will come out? Comment down below, please. I put it. I hope it won't fall again. There's no fries still. Start. Let's work. Is that the fries I just put in? But it was so small. It's bigger. This is the opposite of last time. Last time it grew smaller. Now it grew bigger. Okay. The fry. What's a bun fry doing here? So let's put it on the tray. Now time to make our hamburger. I hope it doesn't be small or big like last time. I hope just medium like this. Burgers over here. And start. Oh no! Is that our burger? It's grown so big. How do I even touch it? Oh. Okay. Oh, it smells very good. I got the burgers. I got the burger and the french fries and the drink. So yeah, let's pass it to the customer. Here's your order, ma'am. Oh, wait, before you go somewhere, which toy do you want?
I have a toy too.
Yeah.
Oh, I like Minnie
It
Mouse.
has two faces.
Oh my goodness, it does. I love. Woohoo! Wow, what is this?
It's actually a lip balm.
Mmm.
See? Mmm.
Oh, that was so good. Mmm. That was so good. That was really good. Mmm. Mmm.
Are you giving me 5 stars?
I'm giving you 10 out of 10.
Are you giving me
Really
5
good.
stars?
Yes, I'm gonna give you 5 stars.
This is my end of my video. I hope you like it. Give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Sophia's World. Ba-ba-dum.